G'day guys, it's the follow-up video to the replacement switch on my all-time favourite, the old AK-47 Tactical. You're probably noticing I've taken a lot of the plastic off. Just don't like it. I just like it clean look like this, so just looking like a real basic sort of a gun. So now what I've done is put in the new switch from the previous video. I've also, to give this a really good test, I've put the power from 7.2 up to the 11 volt battery. So we can really give the old electrics a bit of a workout and see how we are going. So let's see how we rock. This thing absolutely boogies. It rocks, man. It goes really good. It goes hard. And as I was saying, you know, with the switch now, there's no capacity to be able to switch because all that's taken out. You've replaced it with a contact switch. So if you pull the trigger just lightly, you'll just get one, sometimes two shots. But if you hold your finger on, she just nails it. So look, I'm really pleased with that. Switch was only a couple of bucks and it's pretty much transformed it. There's no more mucking around with dicky switches and all that sort of stuff. You just control it with your finger. Just contact switches. Honestly, I think it's the way to go. And that she cried was that. A lot of fun. Cheers.